Happy Thursday, everyone. So today I was lucky enough to get a super surprise in the mail. I had no idea what was coming, and so I thought I would do a little unboxing of my Fred's Hour Scentsy Family Reunion a convention box that came in the mail today. I started to look at a little bit, but I have not explored all of the things that are in here. As I said, I had no idea what this was. I was completely surprised. I didn't know since he was mailing these out right now. So I thought I'd show you because it is by far and away the best convention SFR box we have ever gotten. And before I start, for any consultants watching who don't want to see it, who do want to be surprised when their box comes, now's a good time to back out of this video. But for the rest of you, super excited, and I just want to share with you. So we got this box, and I'm like, what the heck is that? It is so adorable, and it's different on each side. You can see the colors coming through from the bottom of the box, so I'll show you that now. It's called, our convention this year, SFR, Scentsy Family Reunion, is called Reflections. That's the theme, so it's got a different color pattern on each side. And then I was totally surprised by not one, but two shirts. And I really have no idea what this shirt is for. There's some directions and like a program in here, so I'm sure I will figure it out once I read that. But we got the shirt called Fruity because I signed up for Fruity as one of our little breakout sessions we're going to. So this is a medium, by the way. If you are a consultant or a Scentsy person and you want to see how large these are, it's pretty dang big. It's a big shirt. This is Fred's, but it's going to be too big for him, I bet you. I'm going to try and shrink this a little bit. But strawberries, so this has got to go with that breakout session, so I'll have to see what that's all about. And then you always, every year, Scentsy has a convention shirt, and so this is the convention shirt this year. I'm opening all of Fred's stuff. He won't care. I don't even know where mine is, actually. Is it on the bottom now? So stinking cute. Reflections, SFR 2023. Our convention is in Charlotte, North Carolina this year. So super fun. It even says that on the back here. And again, this is a medium for you Scentsy folks. It's an adorable shirt. I really like all of the primary colors there. And then every year we have lanyard achievement ribbons. So here is, wow, I have no idea what's in here. I don't want to get too far into this because I want to keep this short, but so many. There's probably 10 ribbons in here. I have no idea. I'll have to look. But you stick these on your little lanyard. Look, woo, we're in Idaho now. So here is our little Idaho badge. Goes in the little plastic and it's got a lanyard. I love that they put a program on the back. And so that's for our lanyard. Fred got one as well. Here's our blue lanyard that matches the shirt. Super cute. And here's something totally new for this year. So exciting. So again, if you don't want spoilers, go away now. A scent circle just for SFR. And I think I'm going to have to put this in the car like, I don't know, this week. I don't think I can wait. But what if I love it and we only have two? I don't know. We will see. And then you have a program guide that tells all the things here. All the things. There's your lanyard and how to arrange your ribbons. And it's got the daily program, the agenda. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this is a little map. I see that they're showing the convention center. So we each got one of those. And what the heck is this? Oh, well, this is your notebook. So cute. It's adorable. So Scentsy made their own notebook this year. That is thinking adorable. I love that on the front. And so we got 2 of those. And my shirts and my shirts. So I hope you enjoyed just getting a small glimpse into our convention surprise goodies. It's always so much fun when this day comes around, and I haven't been to a Scentsy family reunion in a couple of years, COVID and all. I went to virtual, and so I'm super excited to be back in action and going live, and I hope I see you all there. So if you're coming to SFR, comment down below and let me know where, if you're coming and where you're coming from. And if you have any questions, if you want to know more about the agenda or anything that's in this box and you're a consultant, let me know and I'm happy to help. Have a great day. Bye.